Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta on April 6th announced a new measure where users of UPI can now avail pre-sanctioned credit lines through banks. In other words, users can borrow funds from a bank-approved credit line through their UPI. This was among the major announcements that was made at the first monetary policy review of the fiscal year 2024. So what does it mean? Is a credit line and a loan same? And how will this really work? Well, let me tell you. At present, UPI carries out 75% of retail digital payments volume in India. Currently, UPI transactions are enabled among deposit accounts at banks, sometimes intermediated by prepaid instruments that include wallets as well. Now, RBI's announcement on UPI means that borrowers will now have access to digital credit lines from banks, which will be pre-approved. Now, what is a credit line, for example? A credit line is a lending facility where a borrower can borrow money on a flexible and a revolving basis from a lender. It is a predetermined borrowing limit that a user can avail of at any time. To get a credit line, a borrower needs to apply for the same with the lender or a bank. Now, compared to a traditional loan, a credit line is a more flexible mode of borrowing. Interest rates, on the other hand, are higher for credit lines. Some of the different types of credit lines include credit cards, small credit lines, etc. Now, what is the process of availing a credit line through UPI? Prior to availing funds on UPI, borrowers will have to first get a sanctioned line of credit from a bank. This process involves banks going through a verification process, which is similar to that of a loan as well. Now, the verification process involves the lender checking the personal financial details of the borrower like income, credit score, borrowing history, etc., and then deciding the credit line limit. After this process, the borrowers can then avail the funds approved under credit line on UPI. Experts now believe the pre-sanctioned line of credit will further revolutionize digital banking ecosystem. This is a significant step to offer timely and easy credit to the last mile consumers, helping them to address their most urgent needs. Additionally, it is a game changer for payments industry to create a safer channel to assist credit payments while also curating different models and features to create exclusive and innovative product offerings to the end users as well.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.